Hi everyone, this is Team9 and we are presenting EasyLearn, a web platform for readiness assurance tests in team-based learning. The topics we are going to cover today are admin portal, lecturers portal, students portal, of course, a short demonstration of the system. EasyLearn is an online platform which creates a seamless connection between lecturer and student in order to narrow the gap between two parties. It allows lecturer to set up the readiness assurance test session, which consists of individual readiness assurance tests, aka IRAT, and team readiness assurance test, aka TRAT. It also delivers the test to students to prepare them for the next phase in team-based learning. These are the technologies involved in the development of EasyLearn. We use .NET Framework, JavaScript, and jQuery to implement the client-side coding, C# for the backend coding, Google Cloud SQL with MySQL database for storage. We have also included Google Map API for the location service. Additionally, the AJAX function with the ASP.NET Timer have provided us a way to implement the real-time update, which is paramount in our system. Last but not least, we use Tortoise SVN for version control. I will not elaborate much on them due to the time constraint. However, I would like to emphasize on Google Cloud SQL, which comes with a user-friendly interface and easy to configure architecture. Google Cloud SQL enables me to access the cloud database directly from the local workspace by distributing a static IP address, which ensures seamlessly connection between the client and the database. Firstly, we'll be looking at admin portal. In admin portal, administrator can manage account and class, and also edit his profile. In manage account, administrator is able to create various kind of users. For example, student, team, and lecturer. After the account has been created, a notification email will be sent to your email address with your login credential. Next, I will talk about lecturers portal. In lecturers portal, lecturer is able to manage a class, create a test, generate test report, edit his profile, and of course manage test. He can edit a test, delete a test, manually start a test, and also one of the most significant feature, which is to allow the test to start automatically by schedule. In managed class, lecturer is able to assign a student to the class or removes a student from the class. However, lecturer cannot create student or another lecturer compared to the administrator. In create test, lecturer needs to input the test information such as test name, test detail, class to take the test, scheduled time for the test, and test duration. Test can be scheduled as early as 10 minutes from now. After that, lecturer will enter the information on the questions in the test. A test consists of two test sessions, which are individual test and team test. The team test is scheduled to begin when individual test has complete. The default schedule of the start time adheres to the flow of team-based learning. In the Generate Report page, the lecturer is able to generate the report of completed test, the performance of the student, and answer distribution per question will be displayed, together with the bar chart for better illustration purpose. Lecturer is also able to save the generated report into PDF. In the Edit Profile page, lecturer is able to change his name, his password, and his email address. In Lecturers portal, lecturer can delete a test if the test is not running. After the test has been created, lecturer can choose to start the test manually. If that's the case, The date and time and status of the selected test will be updated. Lecturer can stop a running test manually to stop the student from entering the test room. If the lecturer does not start the test manually, the test will still commence by schedule. System will notify the lecturer when an auto start or auto stop occurs. Individual student and team account will log on to the student panel. Student panel is divided into ongoing tests, upcoming tests, and past tests. Hence, the student panel serves as a waiting area for the test. One more thing. I will introduce the location validation feature in the program, and after that, followed by 2 test demonstrations. To prevent students from accessing the test in undesired location, we have implemented the location control with test pin to ensure that only the students in the classroom are allowed to take the test. Lecturer, however, can choose to turn off the location control in order to maintain the flexibility of the test access. Next is a concurrent demonstration on the individual test. When lecturer starts a test, students who are eligible for the test will get a notification via student portal. After entering the correct test pin, student will be able to start the test. Meanwhile, lecturer can choose to invigilate the test by enter the invigilate page to receive real-time feedback on the progress of the test. Last but not least, the demonstration of team readiness assurance test. The leader of the team will log on to the respective team account and ready to take the team test. The differences between individual test and team tests are: firstly, team is able to retry the question they got wrong until they got the correct answer. Secondly, team is able to view the explanation of each question after the completion of the test. This marks the end of the video demonstration of EasyLearn. Thank you for your time and have a nice day.